back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome to my channel. So I finally received my BoxyCharm for August. I thought for sure I was gonna get it around my birthday, but I didn't. This is super late. You guys have probably already seen everybody unbox theirs, but you haven't seen mine. So I already opened it. Okay. There's a lot of good stuff in here. So the first thing I pulled out, this is the Real Her I'm Inspiring Define Brow Pencil. This one goes for $16, so I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to do my brows. It doesn't tell me what shade I got, but I already laid down my eyebrows using some Got to Be Glued, laid them down. So I laid them down and now I'm just going to go in and just flick in the areas that need hair. So that didn't go well. All right, go back in. I'm just going to just lightly fill in the naked spots right there. Oh, and this brow product is like really creamy. It's just going right in there and filling that in. Nice. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer and we're going to clean that up. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Next thing in here we got is Butter London Teddy Boy, a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. I'm not that crazy about the palette, to be honest, but we will definitely create something very pretty. And then we did get a brush set from Morphe. It is a 4-piece brush set, which I thought was really freaking cool, and this one goes for $12. So we will be using these to create the eye look. So going in with the Morphe crease brush, I think we are going to, I don't know what to create, but I'm going to go in with something soft. So I'm going to go in with Simon. Every time I see Simon, it reminds me of like Simone. It's kind of powdery. That's okay though. And I'm just going to just lightly just add this in my crease. Oh, you know what? Okay, I know what I want to do. Hold on. I'm going to add some to the side, make it even, make it even. So I'm going to go in with the liner brush and we are going to line out our crease with the shade Graham. Cut our crease with this and it's going to create a really nice area for us to work with. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this brush right here and I'm going to pick up just a little bit of that Graham color and we're just going to just go back and forth and just lightly blend that out. Okay, not too much, not too little, lightly blend it out. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to pick up Nigel and we're just going to just place it right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous Color Liquid Liner. And this one is in Glitter Liner Liquid Money. The next thing that we got in our BoxyCharm was the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. So I'm really excited that we got this in here. This one goes for $54. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer. Doesn't smell like anything. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was gonna smell like avocado because it's green, but I'm so glad I got a moisturizer. Hell yeah. So to apply my foundation, I will be using the Stands Out Beauty Makeup Blending Sponge. You guys already know I'm obsessed with this. It's freaking amazing. I love it. I have like so many of them, but that one's dirty. But I really like it. It's really easy just to like mush up, get in there, flip it over, get in there. You guys already know I hate getting my hands dirty when I use like a beauty blender, anything like that, beauty sponge. This, I feel like I can pinch wherever and my hands don't get as dirty, you know? But I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation and I'm going to apply it all over my face and show you guys what I do. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Concealer Instant Eraser, and this one is in the shade Sand. And I'm just gonna go in with the sponge and pinch it and blend. See how easy it is just to get like right in there. Going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in Beautiful Bronze. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Shack T29, my favorite brush, to blend out my primer and to buff everything in my face. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Airspun setting powder. That will always remind me of my grandma, like always. Even though she don't wear this, she wears diamonds. Something diamonds. This always reminds me of my grandma. Always. Apply it where I need it. Even though it's a matte foundation that I applied, I still like going inside of my face with powder. So the next thing that we got in our BoxyCharm, this is the Sunset bronzer, and this one goes for $24. And that is everything in my BoxyCharm. But we got this, and I think this is a good shade, like a good shade for my nose and to like bronze up. It's a good shade, good shade. So I'm gonna go in with this and bronze up my face. I'm gonna go in with my Alamar. This is a brightening brush, but I'm going to use it to contour. I'm gonna go in with my Lush powder brush. This is the Aloe collection, and I'm just going to just blend the powder in. Oh, this feels so soft. Going with my ColourPop quarters. All right, now going in with the pumpier base. This is a Reggae, and we are going to add this to our waterline. This is from Pinky Rose. These base sticks have been bomb. So now I'm gonna go in with a Makeup Shack T60 brush, and we are going to pick up Simon, the shade right here. You don't need to, but I just want to add it just underneath. Going in with my LA Girl setting spray, and I like to just spray a sponge and then just go back over it lightly. Don't tap too hard, just very lightly, and it's just going to soak up all that powder. That's why my face just looks whoosh. All right, so going in with the Morphe Bite Me lip liner, going to line my lips. Going in with the NYX Butter Gloss. This one is in Madeline, and voila. Already love. So this is the finished look using my BoxyCharm goodies for the month of August. I'm really happy that we got brushes in here. The moisturizer I'm really happy about. The brow brush I'm really happy about. The bronzer I'm really happy about. Palette, not so much. I just didn't really like it, but that's just a personal preference. Everything else I'm like really happy about, especially because you get a lot of bang for your buck. So thank you so much to BoxyCharm for gifting me the box. I really appreciate it. If you guys are interested in signing up for your own BoxyCharm, I do have my own special link. I will leave it down below if you guys are interested. You guys do not have to use that link, but if you do, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Te quiero mucho. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye.